In this video, we're going to go over 5 crochet pattern ideas for beginners. I'm going to be referencing patterns from MJ's Off the Hook Designs because she is a designer that I really truly love, and we'll talk about some of the other perks of them later on in the video. Before we get started, I just wanted to say welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Telford, or Jess Telford here on YouTube, and I've been crocheting since I was 11 years old. I run a crochet business called Sugar and Spice Crochet, and I'm a mom of 2 boys, one toddler and one on the way. And so it's kind of crazy over here, but we find time to crochet because it's what keeps us sane, and I'm going to show you how to as well, even if you're just starting. So to start, one of the reasons that I really love MJ's Off the Hook Designs is because her patterns are very cute and they're very, they use very nice yarns. I like the branding. Honestly, I kind of am a sucker for the good branding. But at the same time, on her blog, you can actually filter through all of her different patterns by skill level. So it's really easy for beginners to be able to find good patterns here that are really cute and that you actually want to make. So let's get started. The first pattern I'm going to reference is the Easiest Crochet Beanie pattern. It's a very simple crochet pattern that'll introduce you to working in a round as well as also doing rib stitching. And it comes in sizes for the whole family. So this would be a really great option if you've practiced crochet stitches and if you're ready to try on some new techniques but still have it feel very simple and streamlined. The next pattern I'm going to reference is the Easiest Children's Crochet Pullover. It's a sweater pattern. It's still very simple as far as stitching, but it will get you a good introduction on how to make wearable clothing. And since it's for children, it's going to be smaller, so it's going to take up less yarn, and it's not going to take you as long to make it, and so it makes it feel more approachable to be able to do. And yeah, again, still simple, but just a good introduction into doing more complicated patterns like wearable patterns like sweaters. The third pattern I'm going to reference is the crochet blanket scarf. Scarves are always a great option for beginners because it is very simple. It's just a simple shape. You don't have to worry too much, or you don't have to worry at all about increases or decreases or anything like that. It's just something simple. And so this is going to be even a different stitch type, but it's still simple. It's a way for you to learn a different stitch, but in a simple way because it's just one shape. So that's something I would recommend is if you're wanting to try something new, whether it be if you want to try a new stitch, do it in something of a similar shape like a dishcloth or a scarf. And if you're wanting to crochet a different shape, keep it with stitches you're familiar with so that you're only learning one thing at a time, unless you feel really adventurous, in which case I say go you. The fourth pattern I'm going to reference is the crochet chunky blanket. Now this is going to be kind of in the same vein as the scarf, except for it's very simple. This one I would say is very approachable to beginners, but it's a bigger project because it's a blanket. So it's going to be simple stitches over and over again in the same shape, which makes it a really, really great option for beginners. But you also are getting used to maybe working in a thicker yarn with a different size crochet hook. So again, it's still a learning process. It's still maybe a little bit of a challenge, but it is a pattern that is still very simple and approachable. The fifth and final project I'm going to recommend to you is the Rustic Farmhouse style basket. It's a very cute project. It's something that's practical. You use it a lot. And it's also something that is still simple and approachable, but it's just a different shape. That's something you'll see as a theme with these 5 patterns, is that it's still something that's familiar to you as a beginner, but it's something new and challenging so that you can continue to grow your skills. Speaking of working on your crochet skills, if you would like to continue hanging out on YouTube, I have some of my videos here. I have tutorials, I have supply videos, anything you could need as a beginner, I have listed on my channel already. And so if you'd like to keep hanging out today, then I have those available to you. And thanks for hanging out. Bye.